The recent three-day mobile Jamaican skate tour on Water Lane in the Kingston Creative Car Park in downtown Kingston was deemed a success.
A number of children who showed up came from the communities of the nearby South Side, Walton Park, Trenchtown, Tivoli Gardens and other inner-city communities. There were also children from neighboring parishes as well as adults who got to enjoy the sport of skateboarding, while many others viewed demonstrations from the Edu-Skate Me team of skaters.
My skateboarding is about fun, being happy. Try to get some fun before you go home, because sometimes when it's school I can't really come out because I have to do homework.
Skateboarding from my perspective is more than a sport, it's like a hobby. Feeling the wind blowing on my skin, knowing that I can do the impossible.
The Jamaican Skate Tour was organized by the Jamaica Skate Culture Foundation, JSCF, headed by Remy Walter.
So we have a hub now in Kingston because we strongly believe with 1 million people that they need one or even 2 or 3 good skate parks for all the communities. So our project is to try to get the funds to make a skate park in Kingston, but also in Mobay, in Ochi, in all these big towns. But also you can make small ones, like very small, a few like 20 meters, like a few square meters, and you can bring them in different communities like Tivoli, Trenchtown, and they will have a little skate park to train, and then they will come to the bigger one.
The tour financing came from the German embassy, while the French embassy funded the manufacture of the mobile skate park. The other main partner, the University of Technology, has been home to the mobile park since August. UTech is also home to the only skateboard club in the corporate area.
It's for the kids. It's the kids from areas which don't have so much opportunity to express themselves. And skateboard is something which is international. It's French, it's German, it's whatever country you name. But it's not yet enough Jamaican. You have Jamaican skateboarders, but you don't have enough. It's a universal young Jamaicans from areas which are not advantaged, perhaps disadvantaged even, to be part of the big family of skateboarders worldwide.
In 2024, Paris hosted the Olympic Games, and we decided that skateboard be an Olympic sport. So we wanted to follow up on that, and we wanted to maintain the Olympic spirit. So we funded a Jamaica skate culture. We supported them with the creation of a mobile skate park, and also we funded the training of 15 coaches.
The JSCF indicated that the Jamaican Skate Tour is scheduled for Portmore, Ocho Rios, Mandeville, Montego Bay and Negril in 2026. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.